So if you want to get registered for MEC, that is Moodle Educator Certification, you need to give a pre-assessment test in which you need to score more than 50% and a grade. So there are 15 questions, all right, and in that you need to score more than 50%, then only you are able to register, or you're able to take that MEC course. So what I have done, I have taken that course, and I was successfully able to take 60%, that is more than 50%. So what I'll do, I'll show you the answers that I have answered. There is no such like, the questions are not related to the proper test related to Moodle. It is just a basic questions related to your work and your professional life. So those are divided in these categories like general experience, professional engagement, digital resources, teaching, learning, assessment, empowering learners, and all those questions. So what I have done is I have answered all those questions. You get only 2 attempts in this activity to pass, otherwise you have to apply after 6 months. I know applying after 6 months and waiting till 6 months is quite a tedious job. So what I have done, I have answers, I have given all the answers over here, and you can try this to answer the same, and you can score 60% and you can move on. So here is the answer 1. You can just select as you like. So I'll scroll down slowly. You can pause the video and then you can take the answers. So there are total 15 questions. Once you have attempted the quiz, you will come to know what was your answer, and this is ready for you now. So you can go and complete this quiz, and you can enroll yourself for MEC. So they also ask you about some knowledge that you have. Mostly basically it is on, they want to know how what is your experience on Moodle, that's it, and what is your experience related to teaching Moodle in your organization. So you can successfully answer this quiz, complete this quiz successfully, and then you can move on to the Moodle Educator Certification. They also have very fair explanation for all the answers that you give. So as you can see, there are this explanations for each answers, feedback basically. So some of my answers were correct, some of my answers were partially correct. So it totally depends, because I answered as per my experience. You can answer as per your experience, but this is it. So what I'll do, I'll move my finish review. I'll say finish review, and I'll see what's next there. Okay, so as you can see, 2 attempts, summary over here. Yes, great. So it says you must wait before you may reattempt this quiz. You will be allowed to start another attempt after Wednesday. So that is today. Now what I'll do, I'll say back to the course, because I want to see what's next. Okay, so I have done my pre-placement test, and now here it says where to go from here. So if you passed your pre-placement test, then you can check out further options from here. That's it for this video. Thank you very much. If you liked and if this video has solved your purpose, then do definitely give a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you are new to this channel. Thank you very much.